Hi over there. In this video we are going to talk about how to edit a test in Canva. Now to do that, you come over to the left side here and click on this option that says test. Click on it. You'll see different style of test, and then pick one that you feel is okay for your design. Now I'm going to go with the first one and I'll click on this. Now clicking on this, you see a blue highlight on that test, and what this means is that you can click on the test and type in whatever you want as the test. The main point is that you highlight everything, you highlight all the tests. Now when this is done, you can now type in what you want. So I want to type in I love to use Canva. So guys, it's this simple. Just highlight everything and then edit the word. Type in what you want, and that's how you can edit a test. So now I have typed in I love to use Canva. What if I want to change it to Canva is so easy? We're going to do the same thing. Double click on the test to highlight all and then edit the test. Canva is so easy. And that's it. It's this simple.